Knowing exactly where you can use your FavePay is the key to unlocking maximum savings and convenience right here in your city. FavePay is designed to make every purchase more rewarding, but you need to know which doors to walk through. The absolute best way to find current, verified merchants is to check the Fave app itself. Open the application and navigate to the Explore or FavePay tab. You'll instantly see an interactive map or a list of partners around your current location. This map is your best friend, showing you cafes, restaurants, spas, retail stores, and services that accept FavePay. Look for the familiar FavePay QR code decal displayed prominently at the cashier or shop entrance of any establishment. If you see the QR code, you're good to scan and pay. In major city areas, you'll find that FavePay has strong partnerships with large food and beverage chains, making it easy to grab a quick coffee or lunch. Beyond dining, look into lifestyle categories. Many beauty salons, fitness studios, and even some petrol stations or convenience stores are part of the network. Keep checking the app regularly because the list of participating merchants is constantly expanding. It's always a good idea to confirm with the store staff if you're unsure, but the Fave app remains the most accurate and up-to-date resource. Using the app's location feature is the fastest way to turn your transactions into instant cashback and rewards in your daily life. Start exploring and start saving today.